Today we are going to learn one more story of two friends named Pedro and Jerry under the topic the umbrella. So, our second topic is the umbrella. Now I am going to read this, you have to listen carefully. Once there were two friends, Pedro and Jerry. Both of them were quite old. Every evening the two men went for a stroll down the road. Pedro always carried an umbrella while Jerry did not. One evening, as usual, they went for a stroll. They walked for some distance, chatting and enjoying the cool breeze. Suddenly, a few dark clouds gathered in the sky. A few minutes later, it began to rain heavily. Open your umbrella, quick, said Jerry. It will not help, said Pedro. Why won't it help? Asked Jerry. You have got the umbrella, it will save us from the rain. No, it's of no use, Jerry, said Pedro. The umbrella is full of holes. Then why did you bring it along? Asked Jerry. I did not know it would rain, replied Pedro. Let me repeat. Once there were two friends, Pedro and Jerry. Both of them were quite old. Every evening, the two men went for a stroll down the road. Pedro always carried an umbrella, while Jerry did not. One evening, as usual, they went for a stroll. They walked for some distance, chatting and enjoying the cool breeze. Suddenly, a few dark clouds gathered in the sky. A few minutes later, it began to rain heavily. Open your umbrella, quick, said Jerry. It will not help, said Pedro. Why won't it help? Asked Jerry. You have got the umbrella. It will save us from the rain. No, it's of no use, Jerry, said Pedro. The umbrella is full of holes. Then, why did you bring it along? Asked Jerry. I did not know it would rain, replied Pedro. Let me explain this, okay? Once there were two friends named Pedro and Jerry. Pedro and Jerry were two friends. Students, you can see here. Pedro and Jerry. They were two friends. Do you have friends, students? Yes? Very good. Here also you can see two friends named Pedro and Jerry. Both of them were quite old. Both of them were old people. Okay? What's the opposite of old? Old opposite is young. Okay? They were old people. Every evening, the two men went for a stroll. Every evening, the two men went for a stroll. Stroll means what? Stroll means for a walk. You know, people go for a walk morning and evening. You have seen, I think, people go for a walk down the road. Here, these two people went for a stroll where down the road. Okay. Pedro always carried an umbrella. Pedro, you can see here, who is he? He is Pedro and he is Jerry. Pedro always carried an umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. Pedro always carried what? Umbrella. He always carried an umbrella. While Jerry did not. While Jerry did not. See, Jerry was not carrying umbrella when they went for a walk. But Pedro always carried an umbrella. Okay. One evening, as usual, they went for a stroll. One evening, as usual, they went for a stroll. As usual, one evening, they both went for a stroll. They walked for some distance. They walked for some distance, chatting and enjoying the cool breeze. Chatting and enjoying. You know, people, those who go for a walk, they talk, laugh, chat, enjoy. Enjoying the cool breeze. Cool breeze means what? Cool air. Okay. Here also Pedro and Jerry, they were enjoying the cool breeze, talking, okay, and chatting and all. Suddenly, a few dark clouds gathered in the sky. Suddenly, a few dark clouds gathered in the sky. Dark clouds brings what? Rain. Dark clouds bring Dark clouds bring what? Rain. Here, a few dark clouds gathered in the sky. A few minutes later, it began to rain heavily. Few minutes later, it began to rain heavily. You can see here. It is raining. Okay. What started? Rain. It began to rain. Here, it started raining. Open your umbrella. Open your umbrella. Quick, said Jerry. Students, Jerry said, open your umbrella. Quick. Who always carried an umbrella? Pedro. So Jerry said, open your umbrella. Quick. It will not help, said Pedro. Pedro said, it will not help. This umbrella will not help, said Pedro. Why won't it help? Asked Jerry. Jerry asked, why won't it help? Why this umbrella will not help us? You have got the umbrella. It will save us from the rain. Jerry said, every day you carry this umbrella, no? So you got the umbrella. This umbrella will save us from what? Rain. Otherwise we will get wet. Yes? No, it's of no use. Pedro said, no, it's of no use, Jerry. This umbrella is no use. The umbrella is full of holes, he said. You can see here, the umbrella is full of what? Holes. He said, the umbrella is full of holes. This umbrella will not help us. Then why did you bring it along? Asked Jerry. Jerry said, why did you bring it along? If umbrella is full of holes, then why you are carrying every day? I did not know it would rain. Pedro said, I did not know it would rain. Look at here, Pedro, every day he carries umbrella, but this umbrella is full of holes. It will not help. Still he is carrying the umbrella every day. Some people have the habit of carrying something, okay, in their hands when they go out. So here Pedro has the habit of carrying umbrella. Even though umbrella is full of holes, but still he carries it, okay. Okay, students, these are all the small conversation between two friends. You can see some questions here. Answer the following questions. First one, who were Pedro and Jerry? Who were Pedro and Jerry? Tell me, students, who were Pedro and Jerry? Pedro and Jerry were good friends. Were good friends. Where did the two men go every evening? Every evening, you can see here. Every evening, the two men went for a stroll. Okay, down the road. This is the answer. Every evening, the two men went for a stroll down the road. Where did the two men go every evening? Here, see, did is given, so go is given. Okay, present tense. Here it is past tense. Did. When you are writing the answer, this did plus go went. Past tense you have to write. Okay, don't write go only. You have to add this did to it. Then it will become past tense you are getting. Went. Go past tense, went. So, one evening, you can see here, sorry, every evening the two men went for a stroll down the road. Okay, answer is this. Third one, who carried the umbrella? Who carried the umbrella, students? Pedro. Very good. Pedro carried the umbrella. Very easy question, yes. What happened one evening? What happened one evening? Yes, one evening, as usual, they went for a stroll. They walked for some distance, chatting and enjoying the cool breeze. Suddenly, a few dark clouds gathered in the sky. A few minutes later, it began to rain heavily. Answer is here, see. One evening, it began to rain heavily. What happened one evening? One evening, it began to rain heavily. This is the answer. Fifth question, why did Pedro not want to open the umbrella? Why did Pedro not want to open the umbrella? Yes, tell me, students, answer. Let us search here. Because umbrella is full of what? Full of holes. Very good. You can see here. The umbrella is full of holes. Pedro. You have to write did not. Pedro did not want to open the umbrella. First you have to write Pedro did not want to open the umbrella. Pedro did not want to open the umbrella because it was full of holes. The umbrella was full of, it means umbrella. Umbrella was full of holes, or it was full of holes. Okay, next. Question number 2. Who said these dialogues? Who said these dialogues? Question number 1 say, open your umbrella quick. Who said? Open your umbrella quick. Said Jerry. Jerry said these dialogues. Okay, who said? Jerry said these dialogues. No, it's of no use. The umbrella is full of holes. Who said? Pedro said. Pedro said these dialogues. Third question. See. Then why did you bring it along? Then why did you bring it along? Who said? Who asked this question? Jerry. Jerry said these dialogues. Okay. Fourth one. I did not know it would rain. I did not know it would rain. Who said? Pedro said. Pedro said, I did not know it would rain. Okay, now let's see third. Students, question number 3. Find a word from the story. Find a word from the story, which means the same. Meaning is same. First question. To go for a walk. To go for a walk means what? To go for a stroll. See here. For a stroll. To go for a stroll. Second, talking. Talking means you can see chatting. Next, third one, the cool air. Third one what? Cool air. Cool air means what? Cool breeze. Same meaning. See. This word cool breeze means cool air. We have to find a word from this story, which means the same. Okay. Fourth one, a little ahead. A little ahead. A few minutes later. Few minutes later. Fifth one, collected. Collected means what? Gathered. Gathered means collected. Okay, understood? Find a word from the story which means the same. To go for a walk, to go for a stroll. Talking, chatting. Cool air, cool breeze. A little ahead, a few minutes later. Collected, gathered. Next, fourth one, composition. Write a few sentences on a rainy day. Write a few sentences on a rainy day. Students, on a rainy day, you have to write a few sentences. Whatever you see. Now it is a rainy season. You can see during the day what you'll see outside. What will you observe? That everything. What comes in your mind, you write here. Okay, in your rough book. Topic, a rainy day. As I told, if it is wrong, it's okay. But try to write. Okay. You can see some look at here. A rainy day. A rainy day is a very pleasant day. A rainy day is a very pleasant day. This way you have to write. Don't write same sentence. What comes in your mind during rainy season, looking at outside or around you, you observe. So you have to write that. A rainy day is a very pleasant day. Everybody likes this day. Everybody likes this day. On a rainy day, the sky remains cloudy all the day. On a rainy day, the sky remains cloudy. There is water everywhere. There is water everywhere. You can see water everywhere, students. Now, peacocks love to dance on a rainy day. Peacocks love to dance. We can also see the rainbows on the sky during this day. Yes, some days when rain stops, we can see what rainbows on the sky. Rainbow has how many colors, students? 7 colors. Yes, and the children enjoy playing in the rain, getting all wet. Yes, some children will play during rainy season, getting all wet. Children also make paper boats. Yes, most of the children will make what? Paper boats and sail them in the puddle.